The Chevrolet Biscayne was one of General Motors' most striking concept cars of the 1950s, a vehicle that nearly vanished forever. Built as a Motorama showpiece in 1955, the Biscayne was designed to showcase Chevrolet's new 265 cubic inch small-block V8 engine. Unlike many flamboyant concept cars of its era, it stood out for its elegant proportions, restrained chrome, and clean fiberglass bodywork. No rocket fins or oversized grilles defined it. Its design hinted at future Chevrolets, Corvettes, and even the first-generation Corvair. After the show circuit, General Motors sent the Biscayne to Warhoop's junkyard in Sterling Heights, Michigan, around late 1956. The car was cut into pieces, its chassis and drivetrain removed, and the remains tossed onto a pile of scrap. For decades, it sat forgotten, until collector Joe Bortz and his son discovered the fragments in the late 1980s. Known for saving lost concept cars, Bortz purchased the remnants along with other General Motors prototypes. The Biscayne looked unsalvageable, but skilled craftsmen declared it could be saved. With General Motors surviving blueprints and documents, a new chassis was fabricated by Kerry Hopperstad. Restoration experts rebuilt missing parts, recreated the complex door mechanisms, and refitted the car with its original-style small-block V8 and Powerglide transmission. The process lasted nearly a decade and cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. The fully restored Biscayne debuted at major concours events, glowing in metallic frost green. Former General Motors design chief Wayne Cherry praised it as a poster child for the Motorama era. Today, it is valued between $500,000 and $750,000, not for production influence, but for its unique survival. The Biscayne stands as a reminder of General Motors' golden age of design and the determination of enthusiasts who preserved an automotive masterpiece once left to rot in a junkyard.